Namaste bachcho. So, I hope you all have practiced the vowels in your notebook and you remember to send it to the school Microsoft Teams. Now, today we are continuing from page number 17, that is chapter 3, Ka Varg. So, here the first letter, that is first letter of Varnamala is Ka. Now, we are going to start the consonants and it is known as Vyanjan letters. So, the first consonant, first Vyanjan is Ka. So, let us see how to write this Ka. First, a small straight line, a small circle and a small hook type, and on the top a sleeping line. Once again, straight line, a circle and a small hook or inverted C, and on the top small short sleeping line. It is pronounced Ka, a short sound, Ka. The words are Kabutar. So, you have to read it along with me. Kabutar, Kamal. It all has short Ka sound. Kamal. Kela. Here we are using A symbol on Ka. That's why it sounds K. We'll learn it in another class. Cup. It has a short sound. Cup. Kachua. Kachua means tortoise. Katori, small vessel. Katori. Now, the next consonant, the next Vyanjan letter is Kha. Here you can see small sound of Ha. Kha. Before it was Ka. Now it is Kha. A small H sound. Now let us see how to write it. First a small J, then a smiley arc. It goes up a straight line and here a small circle, and on the top sleeping line. Once again you can write, you can see here a small J, a small smiley arc, then a standing line and a circle, sleeping line. So, it looks difficult, but when you practice it in your notebook, it's very simple. So, you have to practice it. Once again, I'll tell you, a small J, a smiley arc, standing line and a small circle, and last sleeping line. So, it sounds Kha. Kha se Khargosh, Kharbuja, muskmelon, Khag. It all have a H sound. Now, the next consonant is Ga. It sounds Ga, G-A, Ga. Now, let us see how to write. Small J, turn left side and make a circle like this. Then a standing line and on the top sleeping line. So, once again small J, turn towards left side, a small circle, standing line and sleeping line. It sounds Ga. Ga se Gamla, Gadha, Gardan, Gaj. Now, the next Vyanjan letter, next consonant is Gha. So, here also you can hear the H sound, Gha. Here H. Before it was Ga. Now, it is Gha. Now, let us see how to write. Inverted 3, it goes up a standing line and sleeping line. You can see here the sleeping line touches the whole Vyanjan letter. Once again, inverted 3, it goes up a straight line and sleeping line. Gha, it has H sound. Gha se ghadi, ghada, ghan, ghar. Now, this is the next Vyanjan letter Nga. We use this very rarely. Let's see how to write it. A small short line, S, and a small dot on the right side and the sleeping line. It's very simple. A short line, then you have to draw S and a dot here and the sleeping lines. We say Nga. So, today in this class, we learned Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. You have to practice this in your notebook. You have to write it at least 2 to 3 times and you have to say also. Then only you will learn the sounds of this letter. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.